everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for hanging with me a bit today. We're going to be getting into my spring Fab Fit Fun box. If you're new, I'm Laura. Wyatt is here. He's the white puppy dog if you happen to see him. We hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. So Fab Fit Fun is a seasonal lifestyle subscription box, and it is super fun because they have a plethora of products, everything ranging from home to beauty to health, like all the things. And whenever the customization window opens, which as soon as it opens, I try to get it right away. How many others like try to jump in as soon as you see that window open? And they give you like 5 or 6 choices in each category, and you get 5 to 6 full-size items. So you get 5 times you can pick your favorite item from that collection. If you just have to have 2 of them, you can. You just pay the extra price, and it's normally somewhere between $20 and $7. So fairly affordable. The box is $59.99 a season, and you get about $300 worth of product. So this is a great way to stack up on your beauty products, which is what I generally do. I'll put my link down below in case you'd like to give this service a try. You'll get money towards your first box. All right, let's dig into it. You typically get products from both emerging and premium brands. Here's what I see when I open it up. Looks like we're going to need to scan to talk about the pieces and the items in here. And here's all my fun stuff. First up, After Sun by Vacation. So this is valued at $60, so that's the retail. And it says it's the signature scent of the illustrious vacation brand After Sun Gel, developed with Arquist Parfumier. I'm sure I'm saying that all wrong. It immerses the wearer in the classic After Sun setting with notes of aloe vera gel, green tea, and open weave linen and more. So can't wait to smell this. Let's just do it. I'm curious now if it's giving you that After Sun vibe. It is a 1 full ounce, so you could take it on vacation with you as well. Here's what it looks like. And let's see what this smells like. That smells really good. It's very much of a light scent, and it does smell a little bit like vacation. I get, for some reason, lime vibes off from it. But it smells much better than that. It smells really good. So I can't wait to, maybe I'll just throw this in my suitcase for my vacation. Next up, now we have the OC Malibu Ocean Eyes Age Defying Serum. This one retails for $58. I love trying products like this in these boxes. How does this work? Yep, it's a little roller ball. And it says, clean, clinically tested skincare powered by a unique blend of pure potent seaweed and active botanicals. Result you can see. So it's a roller ball, and you just roll it on your eyes, I guess. Clean, dry face, gently roll under the eye from inner to outer corner. Allow serum to absorb and use morning and night. All right, we're going to give this one a try. Next up, how about some jewelry? These are called the 8 Other Reasons set of 5 beaded bracelets. I love a gold beaded bracelet, so decided to give these a try. You could twist them up or just wear them all as individual strands. You could wear them all together or wear them separate. Those are cute. I love a bracelet stack, so you can tell why I picked them. Those are cute. They retail for $45. Looks like I got a freebie in here. This is the Dove Advanced Care Dry Spray. This is deodorant, spray deodorant, which I'm really digging. I've been wearing spray deodorant for quite a bit now because it doesn't leave that residue on your clothes. No matter how much it tells you when it's the roller, it still leaves residue. So this one is a little little spray. Let me know how many of you have tried these, because I do dig the spray. And this would be perfect. Again, this is a perfect travel size. All right, next up, one of my picks. Now we have the Tropicals. And this is the Slick Salve. Can't say this 5 times fast. The Slick Salve. Slick Salve? I can't say it. It's a mint lip balm. We'll go with that. Slick Salve. Slick Salve. Slick Salve. Okay. So this has ceramides, hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and rice bran wax. And it says, slicker than your average lip balm, this vegan barrier-building balm instantly hydrates, soothes, and protects even the driest lips for shine and relief that lasts all day. It retails for $16. I'm going to try it. It feels good going on. What do you think? And it does have a little minty taste to it. All right, so I'm going to put that in my purse right now. Next up is the Molten Brown London Coastal Cypress and Sea Fennel Bath and Shower Gel. This is a nice size bottle as well. I always need a body wash, like all the time. I seem like I go through it so fast. So excited to try this one. It retails for $35. Let me see what it smells like. Oh, it smells very good. It very much has a beachy, again, spa-like smell to it. I like this. All right, next up. Now I have Anti-Frizz Flyaway Wand. Okay, so do you guys ever get like all those little hairs at the top of your head after you're done doing your hair and they're sticking up and you forget, you don't even notice it till after you're all done and left the house? So you use this by swiping it through the stray strands to create a flawless and smooth look. So you could get those ones at the top, or if you're trying to create that nice slick back bun or pull back, you would use this for that. So it intrigued me. I thought, okay, I'm going to try this. Here's what it looks like. So like, just like a regular like mascara style wand. And it retails for $16. Let's see, I have 2 more items here. This one is the Living Proof Clarifying Detox Shampoo. Can you tell I picked things that I kind of needed? Like body wash, shampoo. Yeah, this is by Living Proof. Deeply cleanses and removes product buildup. I can use it weekly in place of my regular shampoo. And it's a non-stripping shampoo that is designed to deeply cleanse, remove buildup. And it is resetting hair to a blank state for optimal hair treatment. It's color safe, silicone free, and sulfate free. And this is a 8 ounce, so I'm full size. And my last item, how about some more bling? These are called the Mini Serena Hoops. The retail value is $85. They had them in gold and silver. I got the gold. Here's what they look like. Aren't those cute? Those are adorable. They kept the second one in the little bag to keep so they don't scratch each other. So I think those are really, really pretty. And they have the diamonds on the inside too. Yeah. So they go inside, outside. I like that. Those are very pretty. They retail for $85. All right. So, and if I wanted the silver, because I couldn't live without them, I could have added them. I feel like, I wonder if I added anything. Did I tell you how much the shampoo was before we wrap here? $36 is the regular price. So I have 8 items, and I feel like I may have paid extra for one thing. I can't remember which one I added. But you can also shop their site. You can do all kinds of add-ons if you like, and make sure you're getting pieces that are a great price for you and fit into your lifestyle. So I got the shampoo, the bracelets, the earrings. I got this awesome shampoo or perfume I can't wait to use. plus the body wash. So between the shampoo, body wash, and perfume, I feel like I have my necessities covered. Can't wait to try this, continue to use this lip slick. So this is perfect for lip balm, perfect for travel, keeping you moisturized. Of course, the wand, the slick back wand. The eye, so now I have the eye roller. This would also be perfect for traveling. So I think that could come with me as well. And then they also gave me the Dove spray deodorant. I feel like I'm ready to go. I'll put all the information for FabFitFun down below. Let me know what you thought. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe before you go. Comment down below. I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.